What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all doing well. Finally, I'm getting a video out for you guys. We are going camping, not like legit camping. We're actually going to Santa Cruz Redwoods RV Resort. But I figured it'd be a good video to make just because of the area we're going to. Supposedly it's super nice, very kid-friendly area, dog-friendly area. So I'm gonna do a little video on that. We got the CVT tent all set up. Haven't had that on there for a while. We got the awning, which I always keep on. So yeah, stay tuned for it and we'll see how this RV resort is. And the reason we're doing an RV resort is because my in-laws recently bought a brand new trailer. So we want to go test that out for the first time. And then it's much easier with a 1-year-old. It's kind of hard to go out and do some overlanding stuff or to go way out like Joshua Tree like we want to do with a 1-year-old. It's just not ideal right now. Hopefully very soon we'll start doing that and making better content for you guys. So this trailer, just give you guys a quick little rundown, has a massive amount of space. It goes from here, like all the way back over there on the other side. You can open up door on this side of the door on the other, pack it with all your stuff. Then I'll show you guys the inside real quick. It's a little bit of a mess, but we're still loading up. This folds out to a bed. You just use those side cushions as the other part, aside from that one right there. 2 recliners, got your refrigerator, all your cabinets, stove, microwave, comes with a TV, fireplace, 1 room, and then you got all your closet and all that in here. Very, very spacious. I don't think anything's in there. Toilet, shower, the seat, opening there, your sink. Like I said, quick rundown. And then if you're curious if you can tow this, 7,500 is the dry weight. So when it's completely unloaded, no fuel, nothing. I mean, not fuel, my bad. Like no water in the tank and all that, then 7,500 pounds. And you can add up to 2,300 additional pounds with all your storage and all your accessories. And you got 2 of these big propane tanks on each side. I don't know what the gallon is on this thing, but these are pretty big. 2 on each side. And then just lock that up, and that's already locked up. And then yeah, it comes out right there. But in here you have like a panel, I believe it's right here, a panel in the back, and that's what raises the jacks to get everything level, and it'll tell you if it's level or not, which is pretty cool. And then these are also back here right there. All right, there's my in-law spot right there. We are campsite 37. Super nice resort. First impression though is these spots are a little tight. So my rooftop tent will be just about, my ladder will probably come out to about right here next to this table, our table. So it's a little spot, but it's really nice out here. I have a whole map, which I'll show you guys all the other sites and everything. Damn, that thing is massive. And then I'll see you guys that part in a bit, once we unload and everything. What are you doing? The bed's almost ready. Mom's getting it set up. Tent's all up, good to go. Just gotta unload some of our belongings. And on the inside, that's what it looks like. It's a California King inside there. And we keep up this outer part right here with just one crossbar, just like that. And then you get these side little vents that just come up with these metal bars. So as you saw from the outside, this is a soft shell tent, and it's obviously, it takes a little bit longer than a hard shell to set up. I would say the setup time, if you can get the freaking ladder figured out the very first time, which I never can, this would probably be like a minute setup or so, as opposed to what hard shells I've heard are like 30 seconds maybe. But they no longer make this CVT. This is the Mount Rainier hybrid tent. So it comes with like an extended, I can't remember what it's called, some extended piece on the bottom, an extended like a cover, or it's called an extended fly. So let's see here. You have these, right along here is a zipper, and that's the piece right there. That big old piece kind of, or it attaches and comes out. So this could all be enclosed below me, this whole area, and you can have another person sleep under there. It even protects the ladder through here. So the ladder would be covered. It would come all the way around out here, and this whole area through here would all be closed up all through here. So you can have someone have an air mattress or whatever down there. There is an LED strip inside here. So you can see right up there is an LED strip. You just have to have a USB or like a little battery box, like I have a Halo, which is super useful. It came with like all these little pockets through here. I can put my keys and everything in there. There's a little shoe pack. I have it somewhere, I don't know where it is. And then of course all these unzip and you can see out. Outwards. There's a whole lot of commotion going on at the river, so I think there's some kids floating down. Let's go check it out. Yeah, it's got to be freezing. Taking the dogs down to the river. Remy on the right will be all about the water. Ozzy won't. Ozzy's the darker one. And let's see if I can get this. And we got Max with us. I'm switching back and forth from cinematic mode just to test it and regular. So hopefully it's not messing up the video. But there they go. The bulldogs are going right in. Remy is crazy when it comes to water. Ozzy, not so much. But it could be freezing and Remy will still go in. I mean, freezing as in like 40 degrees or even snowing outside like it was last time when she went in. Oh my God, she's going out to the center.
Okay. Careful, Ren. You see her, man? You see me?
Is that funny? we are at the entrance by like site 21, I think it is. A little more steep of an entrance, but I'm walking through like that little walk path, and apparently it opens up to another beach access. You can see how high when we had the bad flooding here in California, the water was all the way up to there. So this was all underwater, which is pretty crazy to think. Oh, this is nice. This is what it opened up to. This is perfect. You can set up chairs right here. It's deep. Oh, this is a really good spot. Oh, rookie. That is on the other side. I guess you can see a guy. You might not be able to see him. There's a guy walking right over there. I guess that's something Cowell State Park. And also, if you've made it this far, don't forget, if you have a Tacoma, I am sponsored by Tacoma Bee, so if you use code TACOMAN5, you will get 5% off. Saves you a little bit of money, which is always good. So hit me up. Any questions you have, definitely ask. I don't know how to get out of here now. Yeah, any questions about my truck, just ask. Follow me on Instagram, TacoManD4x4. I'm a lot more active on there than I have been on YouTube lately, unfortunately, because I love making YouTube videos for you guys, but just been way too busy. So luckily I'm able to put out this video though. So this is the tent area right next to Space 79. Doesn't look like there's too many tent spots available or that you can actually stay at, but it's super nice. It's really enclosed by the Redwoods, and it goes back just through there. Oh, maybe 10 spots at the most. Here's 86 and 87. But I mean, if you're sleeping right here in this spot, that's the view right above you. And then you don't have a river view or anything. I don't even think you could really see it. River's down there. But it's real nice. I would definitely tent camp over here. And then one thing to consider on the RV side, you cannot have tents on the ground. You can have a rooftop tent, and then on the tent only side, you can't have RVs. But again, you can have a rooftop tent. So that's an advantage of the rooftop tents. You can have on RV side or on tent only side. Just keep in mind on the RV side, it's gonna be a little more flat than as if you're on the tent only, which is pretty slanted and more bumpy than the RV side. All right, before we go see the steam train, I figured I'd let you guys see the map first. So you drive in, got the office here on the left, and then we could have gone either way to get to our spot. So 37 is a corner one. That one right there where the tree is, and then where the trailer is 67. Another really good spot that we found is the 27 through 30 area. These right here are river, like right down to the river. So those are really cool. And then this is all tent over here, that little area. So you got 86 through 96, it looks like, is all just tent only. And then now we're gonna go do the steam train, 75 minutes all through the Redwoods. Heard it's really cool. You go pretty high up, and you get a good view of all the Redwoods, and it's one of the last steam engine trains that are operating in California. So stay tuned for that. pit stop at Bear Mountain. There's restrooms, you can walk around. There's a ton of poison oak, so you gotta watch out for that. Looks like the bathroom's up there. Definitely worth the $50 that we spent on this. $50 per person. I recommend it. It's got a little picnic area up here. This is cool right here. Look at that.